In this video, we'll explore the essential steps involved in tire pressure checks and wheel balancing to maintain optimal performance and safety for your vehicle. The process begins with checking the tire pressure. Ensuring that tires are properly inflated improves fuel efficiency and extends tire life. A tire pressure gauge is used to measure the pressure. The readings are then compared to the recommended levels specified for the vehicle. If the pressure is too low, an air compressor is used to inflate the tire to the correct level. Excess pressure is released to maintain the recommended pressure. Next, the focus shifts to wheel balancing. This step ensures the weight of the tire is evenly distributed around the wheel, preventing vibrations and uneven wear. The tire is mounted on a balancing machine, which spins it to detect any imbalances. The machine identifies the points where the tire is imbalanced, indicating where weights need to be added. Balancing weights are then attached to the rim at specific locations to counteract these imbalances. The balance is rechecked to ensure the tire is properly balanced. Adjustments are made until the balance readings are within acceptable limits. Regularly checking tire pressure and ensuring proper wheel balancing are crucial steps in maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more automotive tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.